Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add, edit, and draw a title block in Auto CAD. Step 1. Draw a title block. Select a 101 sheet to open the sheet. Confirm your current layer is 0. Draw a rectangle for a paper size box. Type rec, press Enter key. Type 0, 0, press Enter key. Type 1711. Press Enter key. Draw a title block outline using the paper size box. Type O, press Enter key. Type 1/4, press Enter key. Click the inside of the sheet. Draw lines for the title block. Please refer to the image on the screen and the textbook. Step 2. Add title block information. Sheet number, A101. Project name, Eames House, House. Your name, first name and last name. Course number. Submission date. Add text using MT for title block information. Verify the text size is 3/32. You may rotate the text 90 degrees. Step 3. Add the title block to other sheets. Click Inset from Insert tab, on Block panel. Select 000_title block _11x17. Type 0, 0, press Enter key. Select the title block and the information except for the sheet number. Insert the title block to A102, A401, and A601. Switch the title blocks to ANOTTLB. Copy and modify the sheet number to A102, A401, and A601. Now you are ready to add a title block on the paper space. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add, edit, and draw a title block in AutoCAD. Thank you.